The Google Pixel 9 Pro is a flagship device that boasts an impressive array of features and upgrades. Its sleek design includes a glass back and metal frame, available in 3 colors: obsidian, snow, and hazel. The camera system is a standout feature with a 50MP primary sensor, 12MP front camera, and support for 8K video recording. The camera app has been improved with new features like Magic Eraser, which removes unwanted objects from photos. Additionally, the camera boasts advanced low-light performance and improved portrait mode capabilities. The Pixel 9 Pro is powered by Google's custom Tensor G2 chip, providing fast performance and efficient battery life. With up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage, it's ideal for demanding tasks like gaming and multitasking. The 6.7-inch OLED display features a 120Hz refresh rate, making for smooth scrolling and gaming. The fingerprint sensor is conveniently located under the display, allowing for easy biometric authentication. Running on Android 14 out of the box, the Pixel 9 Pro offers a clean and intuitive interface. New features include improved gesture navigation and enhanced privacy controls. Battery life is impressive, with a 5,124 mAh battery and fast charging capabilities. Google claims the phone can last up to a day and a half on a single charge. Other notable features include IP68 water and dust resistance, stereo speakers, and support for 5G connectivity. Overall, the Google Pixel 9 Pro is a top-notch device that checks all the boxes for a flagship smartphone. With its exceptional camera performance, fast performance, and stunning display, the Pixel 9 Pro is sure to impress. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, gamer, or simply looking for a reliable daily driver, this phone is worth considering. Its timely software updates and sleek design make it a great choice for anyone seeking a premium Android experience.